Hello everyone, my name is IIM Agarwal and I'm born and brought up in Mumbai. I did my bachelor's in business administration from NMIMS Mumbai campus with a specialization in finance. Overall, my hobbies include sports. I also write articles regarding sports, and my percentile was 98.52 with a 99.7 percentile in VARC. I started preparing for CAT from the month of March, that is when my bachelor's final year started. So I had 6 months for preparation. I joined a coaching institute for CAT. For the initial 3 to 4 months, I did whatever my coaching institute instructed me with respect to mock tests and daily practices for DILR and VRC. In the last 1 month or two, I shifted my focus towards VRC because I knew that was my strong point. And instead of working upon the other two sections, which are comparatively weaker, I tried to focus on the one section which I felt that I would be able to excel in. So I shifted my focus towards there. I started reading daily articles. I started reading The Guardian and Aeon essays every day. The major challenge which I faced during my CAT journey was balancing my bachelor's semester and exams along with my CAT preparations. I had various submissions, assignments, etc. during my CAT examination in the week of my CAT exam only. And apart from that, other challenge which I faced was LRDI. So there were many mocks in which I was not able to crack even one set. For that, I felt a bit demotivated, but for this, I contacted many CAT experts and other coaching institutes as well, and they made me realize that it is not necessary for you to solve all the sets or even 3 sets for that matter in DILR. Even if you focus on one set, if you're weak at it, if you focus at even one set, cracking one set, you are well above 90 percentile around. So that would also help you to clear the sectional cutoff. So I focused on solving one set properly, which really helped me, and in the D-Day also I was able to solve one set and it helped me gain 90 percentile in DILR. I have 2 elder sisters and both of them have completed their MBA journey, and so whenever I felt demotivated or lost in my CAT journey, I used to contact them or approach them and basically understand what they did and how they did it whenever they felt demotivated, and tried to implement the same. So this personally worked out very well for me. And apart from this, I also found a distraction from the FIFA World Cup. Let's say whenever I felt too stressed or exhausted, I used to watch matches. This used to calm me down and basically increase my efficiency of the next round or next mock, whatever I give it. Many a times during my CAT journey, I was confused whether I should pursue an MBA degree as a fresher or not. But I kept my confusions aside, and here I am at IIM Nagpur, and I hope the best for all of you, and I hope you achieve what you're aiming for. Thank you.